Hey guys, welcome back to another GTA video with the Cairo Piero heist. Today, we are going to be doing the setup for the vehicle. Anyway, so here I am in my submarine. I need to access the planning page real quickly. So, the bearer bonds are worth $1.1 million. So I'm going to use a boat that's not a patrol boat for a reason you'll see during the heist. Alright, so I have to go to Tusi Police Station. Alright, so I'm gonna go to my helicopter real quickly. Quickly exit out. You got this, alright. Okay, let's see where the police station is real quickly. Okay, so I'm just gonna follow the line. Okay. Alright, let's see where it is. Okay, where there's a bridge. Alright, we're good. Okay. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, I hate my life. Okay, I'm gonna cut back when we get to the Wait a second. Oh, I hate my life so much. Oh, it's gonna take a while. Anyway, I'm back. Alright, as you can see, I'm back. And what you might not know is I have the long fin. Don't ask why it's in this position, because even I don't know. Oh no. It's gonna take forever. Yeah. I'm just realizing the severity of this situation for me. Okay, we're gonna be fine. God damn. Ugh. Okay, just gotta drive it out. Oh. Oh. Alright. Okay, we got this. Only one more house. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna take a break. I'll cut back the two when I get it out. Alright? Alright. I got it out. After a short break. I had to get myself a glass of water. Okay, now I'm gonna deliver the long fin to the dock. And now I'm just gonna cut real quick. Alright, I'm back. So I am on a bridge. Having a wonderful, splendid time. Okay, so I'm gonna drive to the docks, and I'm gonna deliver this long fin. So one setup is complete. And it's 1 out of 6, I think. Yeah, alright. Go past the train tracks. Okay, we're almost there. Almost. And yeah, good. Oh god, I just gotta quickly clear into this. Alright, that should be done. Alright, I gotta quickly do something. Gotta make this pause for a second. Okay, I'm back. I've been kicked for lighting, but please like, subscribe. This took me only a few seconds, and it's a short video. I'm just trying it out. Have a great day. It's me, Flinko.